Bonjour mes amis de montagne. Welcome to the Orient Express. Hello mountain chums, me again today. Today I'm just going to have a little look around Bassenthwaite Lake Station and the steam train that appeared a few years ago. Interestingly, it's not a real steam train. The original station as part of the Keswick to Cockermouth Railway opened on the 2nd of January 1865 and closed on the 18th of April 1966 as part of the Beeching reforms. And it was basically, from what I can tell, left to rot. I remember coming here a few years ago when it still had no roof. Now it's been thoroughly overhauled and has a train. What more can you want? Seriously, it's amazing. Here I am aboard the Orient Express, or more technically, the Bassenthwaite Lake Café, which is on the set from the Kenneth Branagh film Murder on the Orient Express. And it is amazing. The detailing is exquisite. It's built slightly wider than a normal train carriage to accommodate film cameras and crew, but it really does give a feel of certainly being in the film, but also I imagine of being on the Orient Express. It's one of the most unusual places you're going to have tea. Certainly in the lakes, possibly anywhere, I don't know. You can imagine being here with Judi Dench and others whose names I have temporarily forgotten. The carriages are now basically on what was the original Keswick to Cockermouth Railway line. It's obviously been cleared and restored, and it's all slightly pretend because it's obviously a film set, but it's still really evocative and it really gives a nice sense of possibly what it may have been like, although I don't believe the Orient Express ever came this way. The thing with film sets is that they're not really designed to last forever. Bits of it are metal, but bits of it are fiberglass and plywood. But it looks absolutely the business. For those of you who know your trains, and I'm afraid to say I am not really one of them, it's based on a French SNCF Class 241 steam engine. As I say, well, some of it is steel and iron, other bits are plywood and fiberglass, including these massive wheels. And underneath you can see the real wheels that support it. But that's movie magic, folks. I suppose you could say it's one of the biggest train sets in the world. Actually, it's the wrong version.